Best smart home routines under $100. Automate your home. Best smart home routines under $100. Automate your home without breaking the bank. Smart home automation doesn't have to cost thousands of dollars. If you've been hesitant to dive into home automation because of price concerns, I have great news. You can create powerful, life-changing routines for less than the cost of a decent dinner out. The key is knowing what to prioritize and how to build a system that actually works for your lifestyle. Let me walk you through the best smart home routines you can set up on a tight budget. Start with a smart speaker or display. The foundation of any good smart home is a central hub that can control everything else. A budget-friendly smart speaker is your best entry point. These devices cost between $30 to $60 and serve as the brain of your automation system. Once you have one, you can create voice-activated routines that trigger multiple actions with a single command. Imagine saying, "Good morning," and having your lights turn on, your coffee maker start, and your news briefing play, all at once. This is the magic of smart home automation tips that actually make daily life easier. The beauty of using a smart speaker is that many routines can run completely free once you own their device, with no additional subscription fees required. Layer in budget-friendly smart lights. Smart bulbs are surprisingly affordable these days, with quality options starting around $10 to $15 per bulb. You don't need to replace every light in your home immediately. Instead, focus on high-impact areas. Your bedroom for a wake-up routine, your living room for evening ambience, and your entryway for security lighting. These lights can be programmed to turn on and off on schedules, dim automatically at sunset, or respond to voice commands. One of the best smart home routines involves setting up a leaving home automation that turns off all lights and locks doors with a single command. This gives you peace of mind without having to walk through your house checking everything. Add motion sensors for hands-free control. Motion-activated smart lights are game changers for bathrooms, hallways, and closets. A quality motion sensor costs $15 to $30 and can work with your existing smart bulbs or smart switches. The automation here is straightforward. When motion is detected, lights turn on. After a set period of inactivity, they turn off. This is especially useful for nighttime bathroom trips or when your hands are full carrying groceries. You're essentially creating an invisible assistant that anticipates your needs. For families with kids, this routine eliminates the lights left on problem entirely. Secure your home with smart locks and sensors. Home security is a perfect use case for budget smart home automation. A smart door lock typically costs $60 to $100, which fits perfectly within our budget constraint. These devices let you lock and unlock your doors remotely, create temporary access codes for guests or service providers, and receive notifications when doors are opened. Pair this with inexpensive door and window sensors, $10 to $20 each, and you've built a basic security system. A practical routine here. Set up in automation that locks all doors and arms your security system when you leave home, and unlocks the front door when you arrive. Many smart lock systems offer free smart home automation features without requiring paid monitoring services. Create comfort routines with smart thermostats. A programmable smart thermostat is one of the best investments you can make, often paying for itself through energy savings. Budget options start around $70 to $100. These devices learn your schedule and preferences, adjusting temperature automatically to save energy when you're away or asleep. The automation potential is huge. You could have your home warm up 30 minutes before you wake up, cool down when you leave for work, and return to comfortable temperatures before you arrive home. Smart thermostat routines are particularly valuable because they work silently in the background, delivering comfort and savings without requiring any daily input from you. Integrate smart plugs for legacy devices. Not everything in your home needs to be smart enabled from the factory. Smart plugs, $15 to $25 each, let you automate dumb devices like fans, coffee makers, humidifiers, and lamps. This is an underrated smart home automation tip that extends automation to devices you already own. You could set up a routine where your bedroom fan turns on automatically when the temperature hits a certain level, or your coffee maker starts brewing 5 minutes before your alarm goes off. Smart plugs are incredibly versatile and often overlooked by beginners planning their first automation setup. Build your first complete routine. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily AI insights.